Hi, I'm Barbara from Activa, and today we're going to be talking about electrical outlets and how to reset breakers. Advances in technology and building code have made the traditional electrical panel look quite a bit different than what you may be familiar with. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, provide additional protection from electrical fires. Electric outlets in all bedrooms are equipped with these. More sensitive than traditional breakers, they constantly measure the circuit for any sudden surges or changes to the electric current passing through it. Old or faulty wiring in things like antique lamps, damaged electrical cords in radios or TVs will cause fluctuations in the electrical current, shutting off the power to the outlet and ultimately tripping the breaker. High-velocity items like Dyson vacuums and some hair dryers will also cause these breakers to trip. Here's the AFCI breaker in the trip position. Notice the switch is slightly off-center from the other switches. To reset, move the switch all the way to the right, then over to the left. The test light comes on and then goes off, meaning the current is now restored to the outlet. If the test light does not go off, there is something wrong with the breaker. Bathrooms have outlets with small buttons beside it. These are ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs. These outlets sense when an electrical appliance such as razors, curling irons, hair dryers, or radios come into contact with water, instantly cutting the power off to that switch to prevent electrocution. Outlets with the buttons can be reset on the spot very easily, with no need to go to the main breaker panel. Commonly, only one outlet may have a reset button, but all other bathroom outlets are tied to the outlet with the reset, and as such will instantly react if an appliance comes into contact with water. Outdoor outlets will also be GFCI protected and function and reset the very same way. In Activa homes, all exterior outlets are tied together. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information useful. For more information, check out other videos on our website.